Also interesting is the fullerenes in comparison of conventional antioxidants. Antioxidants are irreplaceable substances for the body that have adaptogenic, immunostimulating, radioprotective properties. Without these substances, life is simply not possible. Which of the well-known preparations can be assigned to the antioxidants? The best known are vitamin C, E, carotenes, which are used in medicine both on their own as well as biogenic preparations on foods such as oils. These products, widely available and do not require advertising, normalize all body functions, including reproductive ones. They heal burns and wounds, relieve fatigue and depression, and accelerate liver detoxification from various dioxins. So that is why antioxidants are part of the composition of most cosmetic products and polyvitamin complexes. However, the most important thing that unites antioxidants is their mechanism of action. Among the antioxidants known at the present time, the fullerenes, more precisely their aqueous solutions, are the most effective, although their mechanism of action is fundamentally different from that of the other antioxidants. They work even in the smallest doses, and their effect lasts for months after a single use. Fullerenes are the strongest antioxidants both at the cell and the body level, so suppressing free radical oxidation processes. Secondly, the normalized cell metabolism strengthen fermentation activity and increase cell stability, including its genetic apparatus from external influences and heat to viral infection. The regeneration ability of the substances increases. Third, the fullerenes normalize nerve processes by influencing the neuromediator change and thus increasing the ability to work and stress resistance. In addition, fullerenes have a pronounced anti-inflammatory and antihistamine effect, thanks to which they relieve pain, eliminate a wide range of allergic diseases, and strengthen the immune system. But the most important property of the aqueous solution of fullerenes is a strong antioxidation effect. So the property of reducing the concentration of free radicals with the so-called aldehyde form of oxygen. Free radicals are short-lived but chemically highly active substances resulting from oxidation, combustion, and radioactive radiation.